In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. On the first day he spoke, "Let there be light," and light pierced the darkness. God saw that the light was good, and separated it from the darkness, calling the light day and the darkness night. On the second day, God created the sky to divide the waters below from the waters above, a vast expanse of shimmering blue. The third day brought life as God gathered the waters to reveal dry land, naming it Earth. He adorned it with lush vegetation, trees, and every kind of plant that bore fruit. On the fourth day, God crafted the sun to govern the day, the moon to light the night, and the stars to shine across the heavens. The fifth day witnessed the birth of creatures of the sea and birds of the air, filling the waters and skies with life. On the sixth day, God created animals to roam the earth, and finally fashioned humankind in his own image, giving them dominion over the creatures. On the seventh day, God rested, having completed his work, and he blessed it, sanctifying this day as a time of peace and reflection.